everyone, I'm Hugh from Oxnet Instrument. Today I will introduce the mini-test non-destructive coating thickness gauge by Electrophysics. Electrophysics is a well-known German company established in year 1947. They are the pioneer in this field of non-destructive coating thickness measurements. These thickness gauges are commonly used in automotive, shipbuilding, constructions, and electroplating industry. The mini-test 700 series has three different models: 725, 735, and 745. 725 is the basic version with a built-in sensor. 735 is the standard version with an external probe sensor. 745 is the flexible version with interchange sensor either with cable or wireless. Alright, let's see what we have here today. So let's just open the box. So here's the zip bag, you can see. By Mini-Test 735 FN 1.5. Made in Germany by Electrophysics. Let's just open the zip bag. So he gave us a shoulder bag and USB cable, connecting cable. Let's just open up the shoulder bag as well. So we have the instruction manual, the unit, a shoulder bag clip, a CD with instruction manual and the software, calibration standard set. So inside they have two plates, ferrous and non-ferrous, and also with four standard. Let's just turn on the unit. So we just press it on button here. You can see it's Mini-Test 735 with the FN 1.5 sensor. So it allows us to choose between ferrous and non-ferrous. So in our case, we choose auto. So you can see here is auto. So ferrous, this means that material that contains iron inside. So for example, mild steel or cast iron. While non-ferrous is the material that doesn't contain any iron inside. For example, copper, bronze, aluminium. So you can see the first page here. It's very simple. So this is battery level. This is the active batch number. This is the calibration mode. This is the measuring mode. This is time and date. So here is the reading, and here is the statistics. So let's just go deeper with the manual. So you can see in the manual, so there's a database. So for database, you can store up to 10 batches for the measurements and also the calibration setting. So for this model, you can store up to 10, while for the model 745, you can store up to hundreds. So let's just go back. So here is the Bluetooth. You can connect it to the Bluetooth. So you can just transfer data using Bluetooth, and also you can transfer data using the Bluetooth. So here's the display. You can press on the display. You can see there's a black light button, so you can turn it on and off. So if you turn on the black light, you can work under dark environment. If you turn it on, you can save some battery. Next is the SIDSP. SIDSP stands for Sensor Integrated Digital Signal Processing. So in the SIDSP, you can select the measuring modes, whether it's fast or normal. So we choose fast for better results. So back, you can set your time and date also. Next is the languages. So next is the measuring unit, whether you want in inches or in mm. So next is the switch off mode. Switch off mode means it will automatically switch off after how long you want. The next one is the signal light, whether you want it be short long, off it, long on. And next will be the signal tone. Same, whether you want to be low, off, or loud, medium. So then this is the sensor data. So it shows all the data, all the hardware and all the software you are using right now, and also the gauge data. So here's the type. We are using 735, and the hardware is 1.9, the software 2.34. Let's create a new batch to do the testing. So we will select 00, then we just change it. So it allows us to choose the calibration modes between factory, ISO, SSPC, rough, Australian, Swedish, manual. So we'll use the factory one. You can choose which one you want. So here's the subtract. So you can choose also between auto, non-ferrous, or ferrous. So for this, we will just use the auto one. And here you can choose between single reading or scan mode. So we take single reading. You can set the upper limit and the lower limit as well. Then you will say OK. Then you go to this one, the main screen. Alright, so we just place on the metal. You can see you can getting a 0.4 micron. So it's not accurate because you haven't do any calibration. So let's just do calibration. We press the calibration button. So it allows us to choose between ferrous and non-ferrous. So let's just do on the ferrous material first. So press OK. So it will ask us to place the sensor on the uncoated metal and press OK. So the uncoated metal means the zero plate given by the electrophysics. So we just place a probe onto the metal. And you will get a very small reading here. So just press OK again. Then you can ask you to put the sensor on the first calibration standard or press OK. So right now you can just choose any calibration standard that's close to your range. So just place on the metal. And same, put the probe to on top of the calibration standard. And you will get a reading. Next, we can just adjust it same to this standard given. So it's 29.65. So you can just press the up down button and adjust it. 29.65 micron. Then we press OK. Then next we choose another calibration standard and same, place on the metal and you place the probe on top of it and you get the reading. Same, you have to adjust same to the precision standard. So I will adjust it to 29.3. OK. So it shows the calibrations here and you press OK. So here done the calibration for the ferrous. So let's just test again for the ferrous metal. So place on the, we're getting very small, 0.1 micron. This is due to the tolerance. So we can place one as a sample. 60.2. The original one is 59.3. So it's very close. It's very accurate now. So same for the ferrous, you do the same things on the ferrous material. For more information, please visit to our website. If you're interested in our product, feel free to email us at sales@opsnap.com. Thank you for your support and don't miss out our new content. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.